Hi guys, in this video I am going to show you, does Apple Watch Series 10 measure body temperature? So if you want to get the answer of this question, so watch the video till the end. Here you will see the Apple Watch Series 10. If you find the answer of this question, for that you will need to see the specification of this product. So here you will see the specifications of the Apple Watch Series 10. Here in the down, we will see the sensors. These are the sensors provided by Apple Watch Series 10, like electrical heart sensor, third generation optical heart sensor, and the temperature sensor. Here you will see the temperature sensor is provided by the Apple Watch Series 10. So the question of, does the Apple Watch Series 10 measure body temperature? So the answer is yes. The Apple Watch Series 10 measure temperature of your body, but it is not confirmed that the body temperature is accurate or not. I hope this video was helpful to you. Make sure to like this video and subscribe to my channel for more this type of content. Thanks for watching.